What is Flora Probiotic used for? Probiotics are used to improve digestion and restore normal flora. Probiotics have been used to treat bowel problems, such as diarrhea, irritable bowel, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. NaturalSlim Good Flora Probiotic Supplement for Digestive Health 60 Capsules. Product details. Why use Good Flora? The term probiotics comes from the Latin word pro, meaning supporting, and the Greek word biotic, meaning life. It refers to a substance that is not digested, but promotes the growth of beneficial intestinal microorganisms. While the word antibiotics refers to a substance designed to destroy the life of damaging bacteria, probiotics promote and supply the body with organisms conducive to a healthy life.